Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change your phone number in Viber. Go to the Viber app from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. From Settings, go to Account. In the account setting, you can see the option Change Phone Number. Tap on this. In the New Phone Number section, tap on Continue. A message will pop up. If you want to change your phone number on the same phone without losing any data, tap on Continue from here. Now enter your new phone number. After that, tap on Continue. Another message will pop up. Tap on Yes. A 6-digit verification code has been sent to the new phone number. Enter the code here. And you can see the notification, your number has been changed successfully. So in this way you can change your phone number in Viber. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.